Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have this Urban Deco, and it is a pool cue holding rack, so you can hold your pool cues, and it'll hold the triangles and some of that other stuff as well. So let's see what it all looks like here. And this is the pool cue, the top of it. Here, I'll just take out all the pieces and show you guys how it all is going to work, and then we will show you how it would assemble. Oop. Oh. Okay. Here's the installation tips, just so you can have it here. The idea is you will mark on the wall where you want it, and then you will screw it in. So not too complex. Okay, and it comes with all the screws that you'll need. So these are screws here. So if you're going to get into the stud, you can just use the screw, but if you're just going to sheetrock, you might want to use the little anchor. And this is what it looks like here. So it'll go, I believe it goes this way. Let's see, how does it look? Like this. So it's got these, I don't know what these cutouts underneath here. I guess we'll figure that out here in a second. Let's see. Let me find that picture. That's what it's going to look like in the end. So it will go. It's funny the way it has it here, upside up, and then here it shows it a little bit differently maybe. But okay, so the concept is we'll go this way here, and it'll screw into the wall like that, and then this will screw on above it. Okay, so that'll be like that. So there we go, so we can see it. And your pool stick the bottom of it gets to rest in here. So you have 6 that can rest in there, and then the top will clip into here, so it'll hold it up against the wall. And you can see these little clips. They're plastic clips, but they have a little bit of give to them, so you can fit your pool cue in there. And if you do happen to just break one of them, it came with an extra I saw was in the box too. So you end up with these 6, and then you've got the extra one if for some reason one of them broke at some point. And then you get to screw this on underneath it. And can you see there? Okay, there are the little poles. These will hold the triangles, the things that you use to rack the balls. So you'll have it set with this underneath it there to hold those, to rack the balls. This will hold the pool cues in there, and that will hold the top. So how cool is that? So nice little set up here. And this is what it'll look like here when you're done. Basically, the pool cues in there like that. So super cool. It looks really nice. It'll look good in any pool room because it's nice and sleek and black. So I'm going to say this is nice. Thumbs up for me.